Hello everyone. Very warm welcome to all of you. Thank you very much for joining today and giving your time. Our webinar is on the DXPs and the next gen marketer of the global digital platform. So my name is Maulik Dudreja. I'm the digital transformation strategist of EdTech Technologies, and I devise newer ways and names of optimizing businesses. I utilize the various modern tools and techniques and deal with the methods to leverage the digital excellence platform and marketing strategies for it. With me, I'm very privileged to have Mr. Ketan Darala. He is awarded 2 times as a MVP from the Sitecore community. He has the 15 years of experience in the IT arena, contributing to the role of being a developer to the technical architect. So let us begin this fascinating journey of web strategies and marketing mix. Hope you like it and would be the useful experience for you. So before starting, let me just show you the our today's main points, like from starting from first point, like what is digital experience models, afterward web experience management, benefits of DXP, evolution of digital customer experience software, features and capabilities of DXP, and then role of content in modern business marketing, statistics of digital experience, and which industries are the most digital expertise platform and why. So we'll cover all these points in our webinar today. Let's start with the first point, that is what is digital experience model. So in the recent time, uh, there has been a considerable rise in web development strategies with the changing dimensions of SEO and content management. The way content is procured changed a lot. So today the user experience in a web platform means a lot for marketing of the same. So there are various tools and strategies which are incurred by modern strategies to increase the traffic on a website. Not only traffic of the website needs to be managed, but also the interest of the same needs to be notified. So it is the position where the DXP are required to perform. So the DXP, uh, digital customer experience, is based on a Sitecore strategies which optimize the data checks for the user interest in a web platform. The DXP can be said to be the modern forefront to optimize data. So the moment where are on a digital platform, there is a need to understand our need and preferences. So websites are made with some definite strategies. So the advent of big data and the change in a modern artificial intelligence has refined the structure of a data management. So just compare the content and the web design shall not work now. There is a need for a constant monitoring for the uh, preservation and propagation of web marketing. The modern DXP does that various tasks for the clients, and it is the current digital customer experience that elevates the business for any company. The digital channels in the market, namely the web platforms, the mobiles, the social medias, are coming up with the burst of data. So there are numerous platform and the data which is in the pool today. So the digital experience today is a much different from what it had been in the past decades. So artificial intelligence is developing continuously. The mobile, the website, and the social media have come up with the different data options. So now this vast pool of data that is pouring in every day to various online platforms must be acknowledged, allocated, analyzed, and attributed for further use, lest this great pool of data shall be uh, dissipated and lost. So it is this sector that the DXP shall help, and the DXP shall help in not only understanding the exact sectors, client or the user stopping at the websites, but also help to analyze the user experience in the platform. So the DXP has come up under the normal evolution process down the channel of the data management. Data management has seen evolution through the content management services. So content allocation is an essential factor that has always worked for a big data management. So today we will also be discussing various tenets of big data management and the evolution action and uses the outcome of the digital management experience. So we shall also talk about the different aspect of the big data management, and it will be end with the future aspect of a DXP and how to enhance the experience of a strategic data planning in a modern web interface. So we shall talk about the Psychos technology too. So we utilize the upgraded content management system with the omni-channel automation technology. The uses of such an upgradation platform enables your website management to be easy and user friendly. So the DXP comes from heritage categories. So the companies need to prioritize the customer for enhance the trade in the modern times. So it can be said to be a particular model of a customer management system which gives a digital experience and takes the customer in terms of has activities, interactions, locations, and behavior. It enables the website to develop a better content and bring in more customer to them. Uses some specialized tools to enhance the customer interface and thus increase the influx in the market, which enhance the customer company interface across many boundaries, geographical borders, and languages. So the digital experience model shall help in workflow management and customer experience as well. So now let's see the difference between the CMS, WAMP, and DXP. So what is CMS? So as we all have the idea about the first ever digital excellence platform was the CMS, and the content, as we know, is the prime matter for any website. The CMS tried to decode the content matter and understand the optimized capacity. The CMS was a very popular rack since the inclusion in the market. Now, web experience management. So this is the second version evolved from the CMS. So this granted better and elevated user experience and allow the AI to have better visibility in what the user is doing. The web experience manager used to initial big data software to carry on its tasks. And now finally, digital experience platform. So this was the final evolution that allowed touch points at every corner of the website. The user interface was elevated and the tracking was much better now. The use of a heightened AI software made content visibility and the user action taking easier. So we have been discussing about this for the last few minutes. So this is still now the highest level of evolution of artificial intelligence.
So next topic is web experience management. And first of all, I'm Ketan Garala, and thank you for joining our webinar. So as we already been familiarized with the digital experience model and the modern tenets of web marketing, let us now go through a bit deeper into how to manage the experience you may have in a website. So business processes to create, manage, deliver, and optimize conceptualize digital experience. Let's think a matter of fact that web experience in a certain thing that every one of us has every day. The more number of websites we visit, the more web experience we get. Now, if we think on a basic of marketing, then we shall see user has a certain point before stopping in a website. In earlier time, we could but imagine that this is the reason or place where the user is stopping and his or her interest in our product is increasing or vice versa. Now the advanced technology have brought the ultra level management of web experience. There is a special device is software, the DXP platform, which creates checkpoints and track points in every website design. The user unknowingly go through all of them. There are some of the windows through which you can easily to understand the exact place where the user is linked. So, rise of open web. Let us now talk briefly on rise of open web. Today, websites are being fed from many sources. There are many websites which is termed paid websites. The world of web experience has been evolutionized. In this great world, there are cases of customer hijack. You may not apparent when your esteemed customer can be saved away by other websites and companies. Thus, I have a digital experience model software is very important as only through this you can track your user activity in your website. In such time when customer largely drive the journey of website, the web experience model can provide a way to success of web platform. We can address we can address the target audience effectively through this platform. The development of website content and design is also influenced mostly through DXP. The company can understand the need of customer better with this software. Today, all the large companies are using this platform to optimize their product and give the user great experience visiting the website. It is a cohesive and integrated example of technology which shall take a webbing experience to a next level. There are several APIs for application programming interface which orchestra application of multiple clients through a unitary interaction. Keeping aside the technical term, this web experience management software enable your company to mingle with the customer and authorities more effective. The loyalty gained through this interface is unmatched to everything in the world. The optimization is software the businesses and the service provider can process to create, track, manage, optimize, and deliver contextualize and codified digital experience. Now the customer shall help you to locate where you do your need to improve. Thus, this journey that your website goes through, the use of software can be called a customer-driven journey.
So now, third point is what are the benefits of digital experience platform? So by now, it has been well enumerated to all of you that the DXP is the only solutions to your entire website related problems and shortcomings. So many esteemed companies have been complaining that they cannot understand the reason that their products are lacking the usual linking in the market. So the digital access platform and the web experience management strategies and the software have revolutionized the whole diaspora. So they leverage modern and unique DXP capabilities. The DXP has facilitated the propagation and promotion of goods, service, and product over the worldwide. The DXP has elevated the user access model and marked an essential conjecture in the world of the big data. So, in a digital experience lead, the one of the chief benefit of the experience is that it can be access to from tablet, laptop, or desktop devices. The owner of the website can get the user details and track record of the customers from any devices. So thus, the marketer can access various touch points of a promotion and service. So DXP makes for a profitable investment. So there are seven benefits of using the DXP and why it leads to a profitable investment. So let's start with the first point. The website, which were highly complex, now can be managed easily. So the leverage of the software has been enabled increases the use of interface. The DXP provides the excellent ability to manage, organize, and visualize the architecture of online information. So the DXP uses the one content repository for the organizations of information coming through several content streams. and this is a critical benefit of the creator of the website. Second point is the development of a website which are highly user friendly. So it is all about what you see in what you get tools presence in the DXPs of the modern items enables the editor and urge them to create, manage, and deliver online experiences which are very complex, landing pages, editorial workflows which have no developer intervention and the registration forms. So there are special pre-designed templates which can be customized and personalized by the client, and that adds to the user-friendly interface of the website. Third point is now operating the secret website is made easy. So the DXP code which have the architecture which bound centralized kernel uses many robust networks to make the security principle and so. So the user also feels that the sensitivity of the content is stored safely. So this such an open source that cannot be totally controlled by the user and always can safeguards secure. The fourth point is shortcome needed to market content. So the content management solution is integrated with the digital experience platform. They can be used to understand which content are being optimized in the market and the content which are now procured in this matters are more marketable and optimized. And fifth one we can consider like critically operated web applications or any front offices. GraphQL or REST, two remote APIs enabling efficient handling of content. So the full management is done in a mode which called headless. So the reason being there is no need for a center of control now. So the DXP proves to be a flexible system that integrates. So therefore, as it can be specified from the benefits of the DXP, it can be claimed that the small shall give a great experience in web management for all esteemed client and the customer. So the DXP is thus an investment which shall always brings in a profit. So the DXP is the solutions to the future big data and artificial intelligence management system. So the DXP has several features and capabilities, the elevated technologies and the advanced AI of DXP enables a flexible and integration user experience. So the main components are first starts with the modularity. So this grants a new modular architecture. So it empowers the system to deliver innovate, lightweight, and adaptable and powerful technologies and strategies for the digital space. Second, we can consider like targeting the audiences. So this has an advanced AI which segments the audiences like the user profiles can be divided and analyzed now to understand the activities better. Now the IP address or the last login time can be used to track the audience activities, etc. Third point is like enabling new feature for the better mobile experience. So this creates a new application for a better mobile experience. The way created screens were elevated to the artificial intelligence. Fourth one is a simple authorizing of contents. So now the tracking of the user interface is easy, and thus the content can be better authorized. So the configuration is modified, and therefore the user can have a friendlier atmosphere while navigating the site. Our fifth point is a flexible search options. So the monitoring and the clustering have been improvised to create content, which increase the user stability. So with these five features, we can go with more seamlessly.
So evolution of digital customer experience software, the digital management software tool about a long journey to go to this juncture that is standing. let us talk a bit about the exciting and fascinating journey of the software that is so inspiring and useful for all. Let us walk down the memory lane and get glimpse of various stage and DXP has come. So digital has changed in 5 years. Like content management system, the first ever digital experience platform was CMS, and the content is we know this is a prime matter of any website. So CMS tried to decode the content matter and understand the optimized capability of same. Second one is web experience management. So it is a second version evolution of CMS. This brand better and elevated user experience and allow the AI to have better visibility in what the user is doing. Thus, the content can be more streamlined and value-added. The web experience management uses better software backup so that the user can have smooth run on website. The website forming a gesture of evolution start to grow on the path of totally being user control through the web experience management. The website can now analyze the user engagement ratio based on the user experience where matters and content could have been developed. And then digital experience platform. This was the final evolution that allowed touch points at every corner of the website. The user interface was elevated and the tracking was much better now. The user of high-tech AI software mode, content visibility, and user action tracking easily. We have been discussing this for the last few minutes. This is still now the highest level of evolution of the AI. However, never research in going on every moment. The DXP evolution, the web market, now the task of tracking the user was easy. The challenge this business faces, one of the primal challenges faced by the DXP was the task of assimilating many complex computer and data operations under one single stream and group. This was important to decrease complexity. The creation of integration channel was hard, though the software developer worked to overcome the obstacles, and today DXP is an ultimate and futurist web experience solution.
Now, feature and capabilities of DXPs. So DXP helps brands create a memorable experience, as we see. So the DXP has a number of feature and capabilities. The elevated technologies and the advanced AI of the DXP enables brands to have a memorable experience while marketing. So there are many integrated features of the system which enables it, and the main features, as Ketan has talked about, like first starts with the modularity, and then targeting the audiences, enabling the new features, same time simple authoring of a content, elasticity, search options. So there are more number of options are more number of features are available. So we go with the glance history of CMS to DXP. So we have already discussed the evolution of DXPs from CMS in the previous slide, and thus have understood that the DXP are the result of a long process. The content management system made the user and companies aware of the management of the content, and the content becomes the spreader of e-marketing. So when understanding and analyzing content was most important than the researchers tried to evaluate the artificial intelligence, which shall be capable of accumulating more amount of big data. So the user interface and the optimization of the content were also over the table. So that was a manner in which the earlier CMS changed gradually to DXP. So elevating the user experience in the website and making many complex tasks seem easy and straightforward. So DXPs are designed to integrate with brands, marketing, commerce, and customers. So through the use of a DXPs, the marketing of various brands was easy. So now successful brand has a way to present and promote themselves in a web market. The best part of using the DXP was that now the brand can locate and rectify the mistakes they made. So thus the user interface increased. So the companies too got the required data at ease. So the digital excellence platform also encourages the user to return to a web platform. So it means the website is made very easy to navigate and the user feels honored while the experience in the user-friendly interface programmed by the DXP system. So aware of the latest DXP trends, so as it has been discussed in before that the DXP are the evolving fast and newer features are being added every day. So there are many trends in the DXP which are modern. Some of trends available now are like user interface with the voice, the artificial intelligence uses the evaluating and they can now offer a profound insight and making accurate predictions. The privacy of the customers is made sure even better. A future-proof, integrated, and digitally evaluated business solutions for all. So these are some of the modern trends faced by the DXP today.
So, role of content in modern business marketing, and content marketing is a key to DXP. So, content is the prime factor of any web-based development. The content pulls the user and help in publicity and advertisement of website. The content takes care of marketing too. Thus, the content must be strategically planned. The DXP use spatial checkpoint in content to locate maximum user activity. So, for example, company website has content so very technically managed that user find it difficult to understand. There might be some case where the content is oversimplified. The companies prior of the DXP could not quite easily understand the reason behind the lacking user. The DXP has made the same possible easy. The key to successful content marketing today has attained new heights with DXP because now the user interface has been largely facilitated. Now the company can analyze and strategically plan behind the development of their content. Some of the common attribute of content marketing modern times, A, with the evolution metrics, Gizmo of DXPs has now been able to track the user activity at every checkpoint provided. Based on the finding of user tracking, the website developer can understand which area of website is attracting more people. The DXP has really evolutionized this fruit of content management and marketing. Thus, the developer and the marketing team, research teams have get update news or user engagement on every smallest section. The content is primarily mode of attraction. The content pulls the crowd on the website. Thus, the assessment of content can be done using DSP model. This model analyzes the effectiveness of the content and accordingly revise or set parameters of concern. Every business needs customer, but audience is different. Its own customers. There is a separate audience to all websites. The DXP can demarcate between the listing customer and the client and the casual welfare. So DXP has revolutionized the business market through its integrated analysis and strategies. Some more detail about content marketing in DXP, the digital experience platform or DXP help immensely for marketing. A and second, the software use unique variables for analyzing data collect through the servers. C, it keep a vigilant and constant lookout over the user interface and revision planning regarding the web platform or any changes required by it. And D, it has open never section of marketing and web development. Now overall lookout it easy available to.
So now let's see the statistics of a digital excellence model. So the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic had again proved the efficiency of DXP. So the following are some statistics regarding the work of DXP during this time. So it can be evident why DXP shall prove to be a better customer interface experience. So digital experience is defined as the totality of all interaction a customer has with a brand. So the digital experience is something which we have every day. Here are some uh, states regarding how much we are engrossed in the online world. So first of all, 69% of professionals had reported that after the COVID-19, the DXP has become very important for the customer. Forbes reports that 70% of the people are more habituated to mobile and 47% of their laptops during this pandemic. Uh, the time spent on a mobile per person per month across the time spent on TV. So the 59% of transactions made daily are through online media. Adults today have I think 6.6 hours a day over social media. So thus, it is well enumerated that the modern marketing must be based on SEO. Search engine optimization is a very important task for the management of the content. So the statistics mentioned above are valid enough to prove why the DXP has become one of the inventable element of our. Uh, Other statistics for local SEO, like in the past decades, the mobile searches talking about near Mithuna like increased to 900%. So this incredible rise in the search count shows that the modern population is more dependent on the websites for references. So there is a count of a 60% stating the number of visitors connecting to the businesses directly through the various search engines on the internet through mobile or computer. So it has been confirmed that 46% of the shoppers love to explore the online inventory. Even like 70% of the shoppers commented that the shopping over the web was better than they actually visiting the store. So 90% of young generations buying the things online. On a mobile search statistics, if we are talking about then it would be within the 2019, half of the global traffic had been using the mobile tabs or similar gadgets. So in the use of the all those gadgets in the US, 87% of the users use mobiles for surfing than any other gadgets. So among the people who directly connect to a business, 60% are smartphone users, and 40% shall love to browse mobile for shopping as it easier and smoother. And 49% of modern populace is they use Google to refer or find a product, service, or company. The above statistics indicate that the world has changed. Today, everything is being controlled by the gadgets in our hands. So, thus, the modern marketing strategies must reflect from their regular paradigm as well. And the DXP is providing that node scope of the digital marketing. So, this is a tool that shall not only help in a strategic content management but also help in monitoring the user activity in a website and thus contribute to the overall improvement of the business. So, the DXP has the posed in front of the modern civilizations as scope of dynamically designed and the business goals and motivation. So with the changing trends of the time, DXP is the tool for the success of a brand or a company. The statistics mentioned above makes it clear that the world today is ruled by WWW and not do the same. We need a digital strategy marketing plan. So DXP shall be the best help in this.
So this is the interesting area where which industry are most digital experience platform. So we shall be emerging various industry using DXP facilities. The modern industries are using DXP on multiple levels. We have already understood that operating DXP may companies are gaining a lot of profit. Digital skill level by industry, various sector where DXP is marketing a lot of benefits all. So finance sector, the 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 advancement in mobile services seem as a revolution in financial sector. Today there are online transaction, online banking, and online buying of things. The bank are devising and developing their own application for Android, Apple, phone. It has been estimated that mobile banking transactions are deemed safer in many aspects and are trusted by people. There are many third-party applications that facilitate all online transactions, acting as a bridge between user, bank, and provider account. Apart from this, 88% of companies around the world are increasing their budget by 56%, and this cost shall go for optimizing their product over the internet. Thus, the DXP can provide a monitor in both the areas. And hospitality sector. The hospitality sector is driving more to digital marketing than traditional forms. The big thing is travel is that everything is online, from the reservation of vehicle to hotel, and hospitality sector has been steadily traveling to a total online industry where every bit of work serves shall be facilitated through the website and mobile application. In the period of online travel agent, the hotel are also reaching on digital marketing. The ratio mix of traditional sales and digital sales has changed. 85 Gen 15 or 35 Gen 65. This is a clear indicator that there is a great shift in hospitality industry. Food and beverages. So as it is evident and already emerged, the online business is steadily taking a monopolist hold over the international market of hospitality, food, and healthcare. There are so many web applications that deliver food at the doorstep. The restaurants are developing new applications for booking order and many more. So brands like Coca-Cola, Pepsi, and others are developing their own interface where the user can directly contact the company. Then education. This is the last but not the least. In the past year, education has become highly competitive and things are managed online primarily. The popularity of web content and the web-based interface in the admission of college can be proved with a small study. 63% of people of America assented that online admission was easy. So 66% of students said social media is the safest way to interact. Thus, it can be hereby said that DXP can be used in all sectors as an online promotion and business has increased to great extent. So the lecture can be concluded with some realization and some strategic learning. It can be hereby enumerate that the modern day business and services are all transfer themselves on digital platforms. The digital trend is becoming very important. The technological advancement and big data function have been large and revolutionized the regular norm of market. It is that the sector, the DXP shall facilitate all the product and service. DXP shall optimize the user interface and help the website to locate where the user is finding problem or which place is attracting more viewership. Thus, the DXP shall be making a bridge to monitor over user activity in website. The digital experience platform shall help the company to flourish by imposing checkpoints in a website and thus tracking user activity. This next level software engagement and this shall bring in a change in all business done over web platform and mobile phones. So overall, this is what the DXP is, and as a site core has all this functionality, and you can implement AI, you can implement personalization, you can leverage the marketing automation, you have all the statistic with you. So headache is an consulting partner and capable to deliver all kind of customer requirement. So we are everything all about DXP. Thank you for joining our webinar again, and see you soon.
Thank you, guys. And if you do have any kind of question or queries regarding to DXP, so you may contact on this email ID as you can see on screen. So first one is ketan@edec.in, second one is maulik@edec.in. So again, thank you very much to listeners, and thank you very much for giving your time.
Thank you, guys. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.